I had a whole family trying to take my daughter from me, and they didn't allow that to happen. I was served papers on October 13th of 2022 on 48 criminal contempt charges, felonious charges. Honorable Hayes and my attorney Matthew J. Hill were able to see through all the nonsense that was produced. She was basically trying to ask for sole custody of my child, who was 5 years old at the time. We were able to prove basically that all 48 criminal contempt charges were just kind of made up out of thin air. It even went as far as them following me around with private investigators, just going fishing, looking for anything they could to take my daughter away from me, and that never happened. The Eggleston Law Firm, especially Matthew, was able to help in every phase of the case. Just professionalism, his knowing of the law and how it is applied to certain situations, it was flawless. The communication was great. They always, every time I emailed, if there was a problem, they'd respond to my email. They would respond to a phone call. If I left a message, I'd get a call back. I believe I got the best outcome that was possible. Matthew was able to prove the case to be felonious, and it was thrown out, and I was awarded $70,000 in attorney's fees. Matthew and his whole team, Stephanie, Tina, Michelle, were able to keep me from seeing red and stay focused on what was important. What stands out the most to me is their professionalism, their communication. They're willing to dive in and do homework on your case. Like their coin says, they help real people with real problems. Well, I had real problems, and they helped me with that. I would highly recommend the Eggleston Law Firm to anyone that's looking to have a positive outcome in a case or a bad situation.